Heathrow clearance delivery Virgin Atlantic 626 IFR to San Francisco, ready to copy.
Virgin Atlantic 626 is cleared to San Francisco Airport as filed. Takeoff runway 09er right, climb and maintain 14,000 feet. Departure frequency is 118.475, squawk 1776. Heathrow clearance delivery, Asiana 522 IFR to Incheon, ready to copy. Asiana 522 is cleared to Incheon Airport as filed. Takeoff runway 09er left, climb and maintain 13,000 feet. Departure frequency is 120 for squawk 2041.
Virgin Atlantic 626 cleared to San Francisco Airport as filed. Takeoff runway 09er right, climb and maintain 14,000 feet. Departure on 118.475, squawk 1776.
Virgin Atlantic 626, read back correct. Contact ground on 121.855. Good day.
Speedbird 756, requesting the end of pushback. Speedbird 756 request to end pushback received. Ground Speedbird 756 with India ready to taxi IFR. Speedbird 756 taxi to and halt short of runway 09er right via taxiway Foxtrot Bravo Lima 55 Alpha Lima 5 Tree Yankee November 11 November Bravo 11. Contact tower on 118.705 when ready. Taxi to and hold short runway 09er right via taxiway Foxtrot Bravo Lima 55 Alpha Lima 5 Tree Yankee November 11 November Bravo 11 Speedbird 756. Generic India Tango Yankee 248 taxi to parking. Generic India Tango Yankee 248 taxi to general aviation parking via taxiway Lima Tree Alpha Foxtrot Bravo Delta. Taxiing to general aviation parking via taxiway Lima Tree Alpha Foxtrot Bravo Delta Generic 248.